Hello everyone, welcome back. If your iPhone says this phone number is unavailable for iMessage and Facetime after or before iOS update, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, we have to launch settings. Then tap general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. And also check the date and time and make sure that set automatically is enabled, and check your time zone is according to your current location. Then go back to settings and tap on FaceTime and turn off FaceTime. Now go back to settings and tap on messages and turn off iMessage as well. Now force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. Then launch settings, go back to messages, turn on iMessage, go back to settings, FaceTime and also turn on FaceTime. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then under settings tap on your profile ID and tap on sign out and sign out Apple ID. Wait for few seconds, then sign in back. Now what we have to do, if you're still facing the same issue, then tap on general and tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Now put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.